with a very strong urge to have a very productive self-care day. I have been gone a lot. I've been really busy with friends. I was just on a trip and I feel like I have not had time to put time into myself and also like my environment. My apartment has been a complete mess. I haven't vacuumed or mopped the floors or cleaned my kitchen or done my dishes in way too long. So today's video is kind of a mix between a productive day in my life, a self-care day, and also just like getting my life together because I have felt so scrambled and I feel like all of these things I've been wanting to do are just stacking up. And as soon as I do some things, the next load of things is there for me to do and I just like cannot catch up. So today is a catch-up day. As most of you guys know, I recently, I mean not really recently, it was in March, April, May, June, July, 6 months. I moved 6 months ago. This has been the fastest 6 months of my life. 6 months ago, I moved to like the downtown part of my city, and every Saturday morning through like the summer into the fall, there is a farmer's market, and I haven't gone as much as I was hoping to. So this morning I woke up and I was like, I need to walk down there. I was just craving buying some fresh produce, some flowers, you know, just, it's like, I love farmer's markets. I never intend on actually buying anything down here. Well, that's not true. I love getting produce down here, but I always end up having way too much to be able to hold. It's also very hot out. I'm sweating. Like there's literally sweat dripping from the top of my neck down to my bug. I am so sweaty, but I just got crab rangoons. That's my breakfast for today. A beautiful, beautiful breakfast. I also got a nitro cold brew on tap and it is delicious. Got these beautiful flowers that are going to match my apartment. So good. And then I also got some produce and I'll show you that when I get back. I am exhausted, but I need to finish this coffee because I physically cannot hold all of this and walk. I'm home. I am home and I have survived. I'm sweating buckets. I want to crank my AC up all of the way right now. I feel like my camera is slightly crooked. Oh well. Little farmer's market haul. I got these beautiful, beautiful flowers. And I also got these crab rangoons. They look delicious and they're still warm. I want to eat them before they get too cold. I got a pint of blueberries that all fell out of the little basket, but we can deal with that in a second. I got a bundle of carrots. I got 2 peaches. I got a nice big cucumber. And then I also got 2 ears of corn. Is that what they're called? Ears of corn? That sounds so wrong. 2 pieces of corn on the cob. Nobody better mention or talk about how dirty my kitchen is right now. Part of the reason I'm filming today's video is to take care of this. I'm gonna take care of myself. I'm gonna take care of this. We have a lot to work on, but I need to get these flowers in water. I love farmer's market flowers. Like literally stop. No grocery store flower could compare to this. I need a new vase, guys, like really bad. This is the only vase that I have bought for this apartment. I have to clean up. And I ate my crab rangoons. I ate my crab rangoons. They were delicious. I just sat down on my living room floor here and I have decided it is time to do some skincare. To start the skincare slash self-care portion of this video off, I have a little haul from iHerb. I just got some restocks on some of my favorite products and I'm going to be using them today, so I want to show you everything that I got. Thanks so much to iHerb for sponsoring today's video. I just recently in the last couple of months found out what iHerb is. I discovered it and now I just don't understand how I ever lived without it. If you guys don't know what iHerb is, it's a website that has the best curated selection of products at the best possible value. There's such a big variety of products that you can get on iHerb. There's supplements, there's sports nutrition, there's beauty, there's groceries. And I have found personally that a lot of my favorite skincare products and supplements that I like to take are sold on iHerb, so it makes it super easy to get everything in one place. Every single product that they sell is stored in a climate controlled fulfillment center and exclusively shipped by iHerb. So there's no third-party sellers or anything like that. You are getting your product directly from iHerb. Also, if you're based in the US, you get free shipping on orders over $30 US, which is amazing. So starting off with supplements, I got the Nature's Way Women's Ultra Multivitamin, and I've been taking this for a while and I absolutely love it. And this is the California Gold Nutrition Probiotic. I love a good probiotic for my gut health, my digestive health, my women's health. California Gold Nutrition is actually an iHerb brand. All iHerb brands meet strict good manufacturing practices set by the FDA and are verified by third-party labs to confirm quality. iHerb also offers a 90-day money-back back guarantee on all iHerb products, and that is so amazing. The next product I got is a refill of my favorite face wash. This is the xoxo Acne Foaming Wash, and I actually took this out of the box last night to use it because I've been out of this and I just really wanted to use it. I got 2 little mini Aquaphor tubes because I love Aquaphor. I haven't used this mask in years, but I used to love it and I just feel like I could really benefit from it right now. This is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. And then I got a bunch of packs of my favorite pimple patches. These are the COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patch. I got some gold hydrogel eye patches. And then I got 2 products from Beauty of Joseon. This is the Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask, and this is their Glow Serum. You guys know I had to hook you up with a discount code, so you guys can shop iHerb now and use my code BAILEYD to get 20% off if you're a new customer and 15% off if you're a returning customer. There's also links in the description box to all of the products I just talked about, as well as my other favorite products. Thank you again to iHerb for sponsoring today's video, and now let's get into the bathroom and do my skincare. Actually, before skincare, I want to take my daily supplements because I haven't had the chance yet. I know I just showed you that I got a restock of these, but I already have some here because I do actually take these every day, and I knew that I was going to need a restock at some point. But I am all out of my probiotics, so we can open these new ones. Oops. All right, welcome to my self-care bathroom. If you guys watched my move-in series at all, where I decorated my bathrooms, I know that's like really niche, and I mean, if you watch my videos every single week, you would know what I'm talking about. If you didn't watch that video, you're probably like, what are you talking about? When I decorated my bathrooms, I made the strategic decision to make one of my bathrooms my self-care bathroom and one of them my actual like personal bathroom. So in this bathroom, I have all of my self-care products. I've got my skincare, I've got my face mask, I've got my nail products. So since we're doing some skincare, we're gonna be in this bathroom for the next little bit. As I mentioned, it was quite hot outside and I was dripping in sweat, so I'm going to go ahead and wash my face before I apply my face mask. And of course, I'm using my xoxo. So I think I kind of want to do a 2-for-1 here. I think I'm going to put the eye patches on and then put the clay mask on, just so I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone here. They're so slimy, they keep sliding down my face. I actually don't know if I'm gonna be able to do a 2-for-1 here. Okay, yeah, I think since they are so hydrating and so slippery, slimy, and they keep kind of sliding down my face, I'm going to let these sit for about 10 minutes and then do the clay mask. Spend 10 minutes. At first, they just felt really hydrating, and then as time went on, they kind of got like a cooling effect to them, and now my under eyes feel amazing. So if you guys have never used this before, this is basically a tub of dry clay that you can mix with either water or raw apple cider vinegar. I've always just done water because I never have apple cider vinegar. If I had it, maybe I would use it, but I'm just going to mix this with water, so you mix equal parts, I believe. Yes, equal parts. So I'm gonna go get a little bowl to mix this in, and we're going to make some face masks. I low-key forgot how much I used to do. I think I'm gonna do like about a tablespoon. Okay, I think she's about as smooth as I'm gonna get her. This might be a little much. Now I'm just applying it to my face, and I'm going to avoid my eye area just because I just put the eye patches on and my under eyes are super hydrated and clay masks tend to be very drying. So I don't wanna reverse whatever I just did to my under eyes. It says you can let this sit on your face for anywhere between 5 and 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna kind of wait for it to completely dry down, and then I'm gonna rinse it off. And I think in the meantime, I'm going to throw my comforter in the washing machine. I washed my sheets and my pillows yesterday, and then it was 2 a.m. I had just edited for 3.5 hours straight. I go into my room to go to sleep, and I realized that my sheets were still in the washer, still wet. So I got to wash my sheets and my pillowcases and everything like that, but I didn't get a chance to wash my comforter yesterday because it completely slipped my mind. Quick update on my face. I can't really move it. I didn't want to grab my camera from the bathroom just because it's on a tripod and I'm going back in there in a second. My nose itches and I can't itch it. I'm taking my comforter off my bed right now and I'm gonna throw it in, and then probably about 5 more minutes and I'll be able to wash this off. Let's pop this baby in here. I literally look insane. It's so tightening that like my eye shape is changing. Like my face is so tight here that it's like pulling my eyes down. Like my eyes are normally up here. Literally, I don't get it. I do not get it. You know how most clay masks, like they're super, super drying, and when you take them off, your skin just feels like incredibly dry? This mask is drying in the sense that I feel like it pulls all of the oil out of my pores and like the sebum and everything like that. But then also, look how glowy my face is. Next up, I'm gonna go in with my Beauty of Joseon Niacinamide Glow Serum. Just rubbing this in, and then I'm gonna go put on my everyday moisturizer and no other products. Every time I do a face mask, I like to just follow up with like 1 or 2 products because I feel like the face mask already did like the job that I needed to do. I'm gonna put some of my new Aquaphor on because my lips are feeling a tiny bit dry. Before I get into speed cleaning my entire apartment, I'm going to make myself a little snack, and I want to eat some of the goodies that I bought this morning at the farmer's market. I would love to have a peach, however, I don't think they are fully ripe yet, so we're gonna wait on those. I am going to have some carrots though. So many dishes to do. I honestly might go buy dishwasher pods. I have lived here for 6 months and I still have not bought dishwasher pods. They've been on my grocery list, but every single time I go to the store, for some reason I forget them. So I think I just need to go buy them and just buy them so that I don't forget. Growing up, my parents never used our dishwashers. Like every house I've lived in has a dishwasher, and I think that I've seen my parents maybe use a dishwasher one time. And not even, I don't think I've ever seen them use a dishwasher. I'm gonna put some of these blueberries in here to wash and to eat. Oh, lost one. Y'all, look at this. This looks so freaking delicious. I cannot wait to eat this. It's a pretty delicious carrot. Delish. Now for a blueberry. They're so good. All right, I'm gonna eat this and then it'll be time to clean, even though I don't want to at all. Here is the current state of my room. It's not the worst thing ever, but there's definitely a lot of improvement that could happen here. Dishwasher fluid for like making, what is it, rinse aid or something. And then I got some cleaner for my stovetop because there's a bunch of stuff on it and I can't seem to get it off with just like dish soap. And then I also kind of just got a few groceries that I've been needing, and I got some ingredients to make a street corn pasta. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this away, and then there's a few dishes that I'm not able to put in the dishwasher, so I'm gonna quickly do those by hand, and then we're gonna clean countertops, we're gonna dust, we're gonna vacuum, we're gonna finish cleaning because I'm so sick of it. I feel like I've been cleaning all day. I mean, it's literally 5:52, so I have kind of been cleaning all day. I put my eggs in this clear acrylic container just because I like the way it looks, and it's also like easier to get eggs in and out. But obviously, if I throw the package away, I don't know the expiration date, so I always try to remember to write it down. August 18th. My AC just kicked on, so the rest of this is going to be a silent montage. Well, not silent, I'll put music, but for me, I'm not talking. I look so rough right now. I cannot wait to take an everything shower. It's currently 7:18 and I'm finally finished cleaning my apartment. Actually not even, because I didn't get to that bathroom or like my second room, which I wasn't even planning on cleaning the second room because girl, she is a complete mess. It's like an entire, like I'm gonna have to spend like 3 days working on that room alone. I didn't really deep clean my other bathroom, but I just deep cleaned it like last week, so I feel like she's good for now. But guys, my apartment has not looked and felt this clean in probably about a month because like I said in the beginning of this video, I have felt so busy and like I would clean one thing and then 3 more things would get messy and then things were just stacking up and I didn't have time to spend an entire day cleaning. So now that I have spent an entire day cleaning after my self-care, of course, which I'm gonna have to do more of tonight because girl, she needs it. It's time for the apartment reveal and it's also time for me to end this video soon. So here is what the kitchen looks like. She looks a lot better. Obviously we have some dishes still out that are drying and I actually haven't washed the things in the dishwasher yet just because I feel like I should wait until there's more. There isn't like a ton in here, so I'm just gonna wait on that. My nice pretty flowers look awesome. And then moving into the living room, I didn't really need to clean the living room at all. This stays pretty clean no matter what. There's never any clutter that kind of like builds up in here, but I just like vacuumed and stuff. And then we're not gonna talk about over there. Into my room, she looks so much better. I have fresh, clean bedding. There's just a lot less clutter everywhere. I deep like dusted with that vacuum thing. If you guys saw me do that, I basically dusted everything with a vacuum, which is crazy, but it works so well. So before there was clutter over here, there was clutter on my floor, that was all cluttered. There was clothes there was clutter here. Looks so much better. And then here is my bathroom. Again, I did a whole deep clean. I cleaned the counters, I cleaned the floors, I cleaned the toilet, I cleaned the mirror, I cleaned the sinks. Everything is clean and it just feels so much better in here. It didn't really look like super dirty in my apartment or anything like that, but you know, in real life, you could like see a layer of dust on everything and it was just, it was time. It was time. Again, thank you so much to iHerb for sponsoring this video. I appreciate you guys so much. And honestly guys, like I'm being so for real, go check out iHerb because chances are like a ton of your favorite products that you're already using are on iHerb. And if you guys use my code BaileyD, you guys can get 20% off for first time customers and 15% off for returning customers. I love you guys and I will see you next Sunday. Bye-bye.